He's always had these rims. You didn't watch the video.
He was years old when he discovered these rims.
Alright, welcome back to another video. Today we're at BBT, as you can see, and we are getting ready to head off to the next edition of Tarlton Street Strip. It's going to be good. We have boys, obviously. We need to get some fuel mixed and then get ready for boost. Oh, there we go. There's Len. We can hear him. Let's see. He's coming. Yeah, we can hear him before you can see him. That's always good. But that's not enough.
Like and subscribe.
Stuck to my shirt, bro.
What is that?
Oh, you see?
That's ethanol.
Works. No, this
No,
is
this
one
race
and two.
fuel.
Oh shit. That's gonna break my neck.
It's fine, bro. It's worth it. It'll be good for the video. Good for content. Yo. That's a moves for a boat, eh?
Fucking
Yeah, this is Len. This is sick, bro.
That's 11.3.
Really?
Runs 11.3.
Damn, that's sick, dude. And how's that sound? That's cool, man. Yo. Dude, it's so smooth. What the hell, dude? It's like a freaking boat, but it's so smooth at the same time. That's crazy. What the hell? And here's some motors, eh? Shit. The V12 760 Li is an absolute freaking rocket ship. This thing is crazy. It's massive, but holy crap, it flies and it's so comfortable. It's ridiculous. Anyway, so we're going to do a video next week on the car. You guys will see the video coming up. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Welcome to the back of the 760. Oh my goodness, what a nice place it is. Imagine sitting here and be like, driver, we need to get somewhere very fast. And then your driver just taking you wherever the hell you need to go. It's just bougie, man. It's just freaking bougie. Oh, they left us. So we have now got the keys for the 7 Series. Yeah. Ooh, it moves.
Take this to kick down, do rolling shots on it, dude.
It's nice. My new car, guys. The new car.
Actually, dude, that would be
Sick.
Gotta get cinematics of him on the floor, dude.
At least you know the job will be done right now. Eh?
Yeah.
We're hitting some good angles, dude. Good one.
Dedication, dude. Dedication.
Cams took out the 760 Li. Now this is a V12 BMW. Cams, what's your honest review on this car?
It's lovely. It's like a cloud, but with 4 wheels.
Mm-hmm. So take us through this car, Cams.
Alright, so we have a 6-liter V12, 5 turbos, and it makes about 1300 kilowatts. It's got the nice M Sport steering wheel. We have the front seats. I don't think it's got massage function in this one.
Yes, it does.
How do you know?
I'm lying, I don't.
Couldn't find it. Okay, then in the back here we have a nice reclining seat with your television for home videos.
And other
activities.
And others.
The wife's at home, then you tune her, hey, what's up, Dal?
Okay.
What's up, Tony? How's it? Yeah, I'm almost home. The driver's just taking his time. The traffic.
Well, let's
is
see
a
the
bit
phone.
slow. How sick is that phone, dude?
Who needs Nokia when you have BMW?
If only it was a flip phone. You know those ones in the movies where you like flip it? I like it. Hello. It's even got the BMW battery.
That is so cool.
It can be yours for only 10,400 rand.
If you go now, the cars need to go down the track to take the dust off and then to lay rubber.
Yeah.
And then the cars actually heat the track up.